Hi guys, my name is Silvasheen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the most biggest favorites video that I've ever done on my channel. So today I'm going to tell you about my 24 favorite things of 2024. I hope you guys are excited because I have a bunch of things from every single category, may it be tech, may it be skincare, makeup, hair care, all of it, accessories, clothes, everything. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. I have literally made a list of all the things. So I am not going to forget anything to show you guys because bina list ke whenever I start talking, I generally forget something or the other to show. So I have made a list and I have also kept everything with me here ready. So let's start with it. I don't think I can, tell you guys everything according to the categories. I'm just going to pick something random and show you guys. So yeah, let's start with skincare. I have this product from Innisfree. It's their vitamin C green tea enzyme brightening serum. And this was such a good serum. It actually helped brightening my skin and you can see my skin looks so much better. Touch wood. I don't have wood here. Yeah, touch wood. But I have been using this for a while now. It actually lasted me for around 15 to 20 days. But it was so worth it. And I got this mini size with the full size free. So it's such a good, investment to make. So you can just try the mini first and then you can start using the full size product. So it was a very good product. If you are looking for a product that can help you with brightening of your skin, then definitely go for this. Next is this very beautiful and affordable sunscreen from Garnier. It's their Garnier SPF 50 plus new super UV invisible sunscreen, serum sunscreen. And I actually worked with Garnier for this launch. And I must say, this is such a good sunscreen. Really saving this sunscreen for special occasions because this gives so beautiful finish. It gives such a beautiful glow to my skin. And I actually, feel like this is very close to the Laneige sunscreen, their yellow package sunscreen. I don't know if they have any another sunscreen. This comes very close to that sunscreen. And this is like, I must say 1/5 of the price of that sunscreen. And it's a must have. If you are looking for a glowy sunscreen, that you can definitely go for this one. If you don't like, moisturizing or glowy sunscreen, if you want something matte, this is not for you. This is absolutely a moisturizing and very glowy sunscreen. Moving on to makeup, I have this ColourPop concealer. Now I have these in two shades. Yeah, I have these in two shades because one I use for my covering of dark circles and another one I use for brightening purposes. So the main shade that I use is medium 90W and this is over. मतलब ये खत्म हो चुका है पूरी तरीके से, but I just kept it for this video purpose. And the next shade that I use is light 50W. Now this I am currently using because वो वाला shade पूरे face पे लगता है and this I only use for highlighting purpose. So this is remaining. But this was very beautiful concealer and ये बहुत easily you can blend it and it won't even look very cakey on your face. It was so easy to blend. It was so, natural finish and at the same time it gave me a lot of coverage too. Not full coverage, but it was fantastic. So I'm definitely getting my hands on this again. Currently, I'm using some another concealer. So once I finish that, I'm definitely going to buy this one. Next, I have a lipstick and this is from the brand L'Oreal Paris and it's in the shade 635 Worth It Medium. I am going to show you the shade on my hand so that you can see how beautiful this lipstick is. Look at that shade. And I must say that this is a very long lasting lipstick. It doesn't budge. It doesn't, come off very weirdly or anything of that sort. So it's a very good lipstick. And the shade is to die for. If you're someone, in fair or like my medium kind of shade, then this will definitely suit you. And it comes around as a nude shade. If you are anywhere near my skin tone, this is definitely going to make you feel so beautiful. Definitely get your hands on this. Next product is a very expensive one, but it was so worth it. I'm talking about the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, and I used the mini one, and you can see how much I've used it. I've hit the pan on it. Or this was such a beautiful powder. It was so easy to use this powder. It actually, blurred all my pores. It actually helped my makeup to stay intact for a longer time. So it was a very good powder. I'm definitely going to get my hands on the bigger sizes, but I'm going to wait a little for some big sale to, get my hands on this, because it is expensive. Like I got this one, pata nahi kaise, there was a sale of buy one get one on minis on Charlotte Tilbury, so I got this usme. But yeah, I think unka actual mini is also very expensive. If you have the budget to go for an expensive compact powder or a setting powder, please do go for it. You can blindly trust me on this one. I'm in the shade 2 medium. Next is a very affordable product. It's from Swiss Beauty. And I don't know why are no, content creators talking about this product, because I've never seen this product on my Instagram or my YouTube. I just got this in PR, in one of my PRs. And this is such a mind-blowing product. You will be amazed while you use this. So this is the Swiss Beauty's mascara. And I even don't know if they sell this. I'm not aware of anything. I just love using this product. So what exactly I love about this is when you apply it, it's very, basic. I have applied this mascara itself. It performs good. But the main thing that I like is while you remove it. Have you seen those, Instagram videos where they show you that aise haath se they remove the mascara? This is that mascara in India. You can peel this off. If you have water on your hand or on your eyelids, you can literally peel this mascara off from your eyes. It's so easy to remove, and it's the best thing that I have ever used in mascaras on daily basis, because waterproof mascaras are such a pain to remove, and this comes so handy in it. And I'm sure this is very affordable because it's from Swiss Beauty. I'm definitely going to, find this somewhere, Amazon, Nykaa, anywhere, and I'm definitely going to share the link for it in the description box below. So do check that out. Next, the only perfume that I have used throughout the year, I would say, is from Bella Vita. So I got their 4 perfumes ka set, and I actually like 2 of them. One I can't find, and the other one that I have loved is this perfume. It's Senorita Women, and I think the other one that I liked was named Date. I don't know for sure, but it was a little more purplish than this bottle. If you find it, please do get it. I'll definitely leave the link here also. So this, stays for so long, and it's so affordable for that price. So I loved using this. I have like very, very little left in it. And I actually used to take this to my office every day, and I finished it there itself. So if you are looking for a very affordable perfume, this is one for you. Coming on to hair care, I just have one product for hair care, and I have very, very, very oily scalp. I actually gave this shampoo a try in June, July, and I have been using it since then. It's from L'Oreal Professional Scalp Advanced Shampoo, and it is specially for oily scalp only. But I was very skeptical because, बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे launch होती है, but they don't work, and oily scalp पे तो कुछ ही work नहीं करता है. So I wasn't sure if it's going to work or not, but it did. And it did so wonderfully, because whenever I use this shampoo, I actually, double cleanse my scalp. So I use this shampoo, and then I use something that is a little conditioning for my hair. This actually does remove oil from my hair, like thoroughly, and it gives such fresh feeling. It's a wonderful product. It's expensive. It's not that expensive, but it is expensive for a shampoo, for a normal shampoo. If you are looking for something that can help you with your oily scalp, definitely give this a try. I'm going to get my hands on the hair mask that they have from the same range, and I'll update you guys with my review on that also. For now, this was an amazing product. Now I have some miscellaneous products left from the beauty category, and one of them is oral hygiene product. I got this Perfora teeth whitening powder and it works wonderful. It actually, whitens your teeth. I use it just twice a week. I don't use it regularly because I don't know if you should use it regularly, but I just use it twice. And जब भी I use this one, I can literally see my teeth bright and white. उस दिन तो at least. So it actually works on your teeth. And if you're looking for a good oral hygiene product, because this has some good fragrance to it, so it feels little fresh also throughout the day. So if you're looking for good oral product, then you can definitely get your hands on this one. It's a good one, and you just need such a little amount. I have used it so many times, and you can still see I feel like it's full. I haven't used it yet, but I have. Trust me. Next, I also got this Bombay Company 6-in-1 trimmer. This is how it looks like. I actually saw Malvika Sitlani's video on shaving and I thought, why not give it a try? So I got this and oh my god, it's so easy to, shave using this, and then you can just use your razor and you're done. It comes in such good packaging. It has a lot of things. You get some caps also. You can change this. You can use this for your eyebrows and you can use this for your body. So it's a wonderful product. That's the reason I'm suggesting this to you, because it's a hygiene product and I think you should get it because it was worth it. I got it for around 1000 to 1100. The MRP is 1600. But yeah, you will get it around 1000 rupees anytime without even an offer. So you can definitely get your hands on this. Next, miscellaneous. I think we are done with all the beauty and skincare and all of that. So next I have these stick-ons for my phone covers, and these are so good because abhi bhi I'm shooting on my phone. I have stick my phone on my window and that's how I'm shooting. It's so easy because I use this, and I got it for around 360 or 350. I got 6 pieces and I've used literally all. I gave one to my mom, one to my dad. I have one now on my phone and I have 2 here and one I misplaced somewhere. So I got 6 pieces for 350 or 360 and I got this from Amazon. But yeah, it's a very good product. If you're a content creator or anyways, if you like, taking selfies or videos anywhere, you can just stick it anywhere. You're good to go. Coming on to some tech product, definitely I am liking using my camera that I got this year, I believe. Yeah, I got it this year. So I'm actually loving this. This is the Sony ZV-E10 camera and it comes with a whole vlogging kit. I got the whole vlogging kit. So it has 2 mics and it has a tripod kind of a thing, and then it also has the charger and a memory card. So it actually has everything that you'll need. So yeah, I'm loving using this. It's a mirrorless camera, so you just need this and you're good to go. The next tech thing that I loved using this year is my iPad. So somehow I actually bought my iPad last year, but I didn't use it that much last year, and this year I used it so much for editing, for my Netflix, for my YouTube, and I was actually using my iPad more than my iPhone. So it's such a good investment. I don't have a laptop, so it's like having a mini laptop kind of a thing. So if you don't have a laptop, or if you just want to, get something for yourself and you are looking, or if you are thinking of getting an iPad, you can definitely get an iPad. I'm telling you, it's a very good decision. You'll enjoy it thoroughly. I actually have the iPad Generation 5, if I'm not wrong. I got it last year and it was the new launch last year. So you can do the math. I don't know. I think it's iPad Air 5, 5th generation. So yeah. Next tech thing is my earphones, my wired earphones. And I think I can't live without them now. Now that I have changed my phones, I have upgraded my phone. So this comes with the lightning cable because I was using iPhone 13 and now I can't use this in my new phone. So I'm definitely going to get the C-type wale same earphones. But these are so good, so good. I can't really tell you. I can't really, put them in words ki how much I have used them. I can't wait to get my hands on the C-type ones because I know कि मेरा काम ही नहीं चलने वाला है इनके बिना. I don't like using the Bluetooth ones. उसको बार बार चार्ज करना, कनेक्ट करना, and the problem is कि बहुत like 95% of earphones don't fit in my ears. I don't know why. क्या मेरा इतना weird shape है मेरे ears का, I don't know, but they don't fit, and these fit wonderfully in my ears. So I'm going to get another one also, but for now it was my favorites of this year, so I had to show you guys. Next, I only have one earring piece that I wanted to include in this video, and it's this. Just look at it. Even if I wear it with this top, it's going to look so beautiful. These are the, teardrop or whatever you say them, water drop of that shape. And I love wearing gold. So you can definitely get the silver ones also. They have options. And I know these are very, very common, but it's so beautiful. Like you can style it in any way, even on your Western dresses, on your Indian dresses. It's very versatile and very affordable as well. So this was the one earring that I was so connected to in the whole year. I have this very new ballerina, I think what you pronounce this, and I got it very recently, but I'm already in love with it. I'm talking about this code brand K Ballerina. I got these for my office. So this is how they look. I haven't even used them. I haven't even used them yet, but the feel, the look that they gave me while I was actually buying them, it was amazing. So I know I'm going to love them anyways, and I love them already without even wearing them for once. So this is for rupees 999, but I actually got it without sale. If you get sale on it, I think you'll get it for around 699 or 799. And I got it from Lifestyle offline, but I'll try to link it if I find it online. I don't know if Lifestyle has some things online or if this brand code is online, but yeah, you can definitely visit Lifestyle store and get this from there. I also enjoyed wearing this white shirt. I know it looks very weird in this video because I have worn it so many times and it's very, very, comfortable and lightweight. So that's the reason कि ये ऐसे दिख रहा है. But trust me, it looks so beautiful and it's so comfortable कि this actually became my go-to shirt. जब भी मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था कि क्या पहनना है, I actually used to, grab this shirt and I was like, ठीक है, हो गया, I'm done. So I'm actually going to add some pictures here so that you can see the reference. And you won't believe that I got this from Urbanic for ₹1 only around August or July. उनका कुछ तो offer चल रहा था that every product will be of ₹1 and you just have to give the delivery charges of 99 rupees. So I got this shirt for ₹100 only and I love it. The next product that I love is also from Urbanic and it's this white purse. I actually carry this purse to every event because I love this purse so much. ये इतना प्यारा है, it's so dainty, it's so classy, and you can actually style this with anything, like formal पे लेना है, or if you want to take this with a dress or a skirt or a jeans, it goes with everything. So this is very versatile also. And I got this for around 450 or 500 something kuch to, because Urbanic pe bhi you get a lot of sales. So I got it from a sale. Next, I have this bag also. My best friend actually came to India and she brought this for me as a gift. It's from Primark and it's a very, very big bag. So she actually asked me if I wanted something and I told her that I'm looking for a bag, like a black bag that I can carry to my office. That's the reason she got me this and I love it because it can fit so many things. It can definitely fit my laptop. It can definitely fit my comb, my lipstick, my tiffin, my water bottle and everything. And it also has some compartments अंदर में भी and बाहर में भी it has a little chain. So yeah, and plus it's waterproof. So Mumbai में waterproof bag होना is a plus point in itself. Yeah, I think this is the second last product if I'm not wrong. and this is my favorite black satin night suit. I got this from a Instagram brand, House of Comfort, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, House of Comfort. And I have it in shorts also, short form, maybe a mere pass. But I love the color black. So that's the reason I'm showing you the black color. It's very comfortable. It's very breathable. And like, मैंने इतना टाइम इसको यूज कर लिया है, but the material is still very nice, in a good condition. So I think it's a very good product. I actually have 2 more products to go, and the second last product is this red dress that I love. मैंने ये हर जगह पहनी है. I went to Delhi, I went to Goa also, and what else? I'm definitely wearing it जहाँ पे मैं रहती हूँ वहाँ पे. So it's so easy to style it, and it's so good looking. Like it hugs my body so effortlessly. I love how perfect I look in this. So I'm actually thinking of getting colors in this dress because I love it so much. इतना ज़्यादा पसंद है मुझे कि I'm literally going to get colors in this one. I think last product is a snacking product. I think it's a snacking product. अगर आप जिम जाते हो, don't come at me. जिम के पहले खा लेना या बाद में खा लेना, I don't know. So this is the Max Protein Daily Bar. I tried it once and I also liked it. So I kept it in my bag. I actually keep it in my bag and have it in office or on the go if I'm hungry anytime और मेरे पास और कुछ option नहीं है, so I have it that time. और I think you can have it somewhere around your gym timings also, क्योंकि वो प्रोटीन बार है. I really don't know. I'm very bad at this exercising and gymming वाला category, so I don't know. You can figure that out. But for snacking, of course, you can have this. So yeah, that was it. That was all that I had with me. These were all the 24 products that I have been loving in 2024. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a very long video, but I wanted to do it for such a long time. This is the first time I'm doing a full-fledged yearly favorites video, and I enjoyed filming it. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye!